Hello, it's Sammy, and today I'm going to teach you how to count text and numbers. So there's two functions, count and counta. Counta is going to count any cells that has any type of strings in it, and count is only going to count for numbers. So for example, here I got full address from my other tutorial. Let's say I want to count how many vowels there are in there. So if I use counta, and then open parentheses, select the range, I'm going to get 16. But if I use count and I select the same range and I close the parentheses, I'm going to get 0. Now if I use count for just a zip code, which is just a number, and I count it, it's going to give me 16. And it's also going to count for empty cells. So like if I delete one cell here, it's going to change to 15. But you see, like, there's still a text here from the combination that I did before, so it's still saying 16, but if I delete this, it's going to give me 15. That's it. Like, subscribe, and share.